Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the diagonal columns. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to knit, purl, do a cross to right, and cast on multiples of 7+1. If you need help with any of those stitches and techniques, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those. Although I will be showing you how to do the cross to right in the video as well. So for row 1, you are going to do a repeat of knitting 1 and then purling 6. And you'll do this all the way to the last stitch, and the last stitch will be a knit. Once you have finished working your last knit, we are going to turn our work and we're going to work on row 2. So to start off, we are going to purl, and then we are going to do a cross to right 3 times, and I'll show you how to do that. So you're going to move your yarn into the knitting position, and then instead of working the first loop on your working needle, you're actually going to skip it and go in through the front loop like so, and then twist your needle behind and knit. And you'll leave that loop on your hook because then you're going to go into the front loop of the first stitch you missed, and you're going to knit that and then drop the 2 stitches. So again, it's from the front loop, skip the first stitch, insert your needle and knit, and then go into the front loop and knit the first stitch. So again, we're going to skip 1 stitch, knit that one, and then knit the following stitch. And again, if you need help with any of that, you can check down in the description. I do have a more in-depth video on how to do a cross to right. So then you'll repeat that 3 times, and then you will do a purl, and again, that's all the way to the last row. So row 3 is just like row 1. You're going to knit 1 and then purl 6 all the way to the last stitch, and then you will follow off by finishing with a knit. And I apologize for my cat meowing in the background. She has a toy she wants to bring me. So here we are on row 4. You're going to start off by working a purl. Then you will do a repeat of knitting 1, then working 2 of the cross right 2 stitches. Then you will knit and purl, and you'll repeat that all the way to the end. And if you're curious what type of toy my cat brought me, it was a crocheted heart, which is super sweet. So again, it's going to be a knit 1, cross to right 2 times, then 1 knit and 1 purl, and you'll repeat that all the way to the end of the row. Now the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 1 through 4, and you'll do this until you get your desired size and shape. And there you have it. That's how you do the diagonal columns knit pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a happy knitting day.